Hey guys, it's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live once again with another real crypto talk here today for October 22nd. Let's jump right into the news, folks. Tudor Jones says Bitcoin like early investing in Apple or Google. Once again, Paul Tudor Jones says Bitcoin is like investing early in Apple or Google. It scores highly among the possible options to counteract inflation. Famed Wall Street investor, for those that don't know who Paul Tudor Jones is, a billionaire, Paul Tudor Jones said that he likes Bitcoin even more than I did, referring to its initial investment announcement in May 2020. And I tell you, folks, when he made that announcement that he's allocating 1 to 2% of his worth into Bitcoin, the floodgates became open. And as you've been following the news, if you have, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Only the real crypto news, right? So much news out here, folks. I'm just gonna highlight what I feel is the most important, what I feel is most relevant. Keep it short, keep it simple. May go through a few more, but not today. Just want to highlight this one right here. But I tell you, folks, man, this is exciting time right now in 2020. I tell you, Jones praised Bitcoin on CNBC's Squawk Box Morning Show, revealing that he holds a single-digit investment in the asset. Listen, when you have billions of dollars, a single digit. Come on, let's do the math on this real quick. Let's say you got $2 billion. It's 200 million. That's 2 billion. Let's say you have one digit. Let's say you have 1%. Okay, that's $20 million. So if you got two digits, five digits, six digits, come on, man. $20 million, or is it 200,000? Which one is it? Let me look it up and see for sure. Because this computer is different from my phone. Let me look it up. I gotta look this up. I gotta get this right because this is absolutely insane. $2 billion times 1%. It was right. It was right. It was right. It was right. It was right, folks. That is 21% times 1% is $20 million. You don't need but one single digit when you're a billionaire, right? Let's keep it moving. His investment his investment thesis remains unchanged. Bitcoin is an excellent hedge against inflation, which is expected to ramp up in the next few years due to central bank intervention, unprecedented amounts of quantitative easing, and balance sheet expansion, in addition to more aggressive commitment to inflation by the Fed, resulted in heightened inflation expectations. Bitcoin, according to Jones, is one of the best inflation trades when compared to traditional options like gold. Wow. Interesting. Hmm. Bitcoin, let me read this again. Bitcoin, according to Jones, is one of the best inflation trades when compared to traditional options like gold, treasury inflation protected securities, copper, and other more complex strategies. Let me read this again. Because again, this is not JoJo down the street, cousin them, right? Right? This ain't your pastor. This ain't your co-worker. This is a billionaire, a famed Wall Street billionaire. Bitcoin, according to Jones, is one of the best inflation rates when compared to traditional options like gold, treasury, inflation protected securities, copper, and other more complex strategies. Who are you going to listen to? Okay. Who are you going to listen to when it comes to financial advice? And this is not financial advice. He's not giving financial advice. He's just sharing what he is doing. And so I just simply say, follow the money. According to Jones, it is one of the best inflation trades when compared to traditional options like gold, treasury inflation protected securities, copper, and other complex strategies. Needs to read that again. That deserves a third or fourth read again. Bitcoin has this enormous contingent of really, really smart and sophisticated people who believe in it, Jones added. It's like investing with Steve Jobs and Apple or investing in Google early. Paul Tudor Jones is an industry veteran. Again, it's not your mom, it's not your cousin Nim, it's not your neighbor, right? It's not your coworker, it's not your boss, it's not your friend that has an opinion about every damn thing that don't listen. This is Paul Tudor Jones, an industry veteran, first rising to fame for correctly predicting the 1987 stock market crash known as Black Monday. Following his earlier statements, the Bitcoin community buzzed with excitement due to the endorsement. Some predicted that Jones would soon become the largest Bitcoin holder. Some see Jones' endorsement as a potential icebreaker for more institutions, and I tell you, that's exactly what has happened. Some see Jones's endorsement as a potential icebreaker for more institutional investors who may feel more confident investing in the asset class after familiar names have already made the leap. Sometimes, guys, you just got to have vision. See, this is what being a visionary is all about. Sometimes you got to get involved early. I thank God that I started educating myself about cryptocurrencies in 2017. And this is actually what I utilized iCoin Pro. Not here to pitch it for today, but I just want to show you where I got my start. Right here at iCoin Pro. Right? That's where I started learning everything. And this is where the news is, and we're going to end this with the rest of the news highlights. PayPal's crypto integration means Bitcoin could triple its user base. Are you reading this? PayPal's crypto integration means Bitcoin could triple its user base. And I think this is probably one of the most valuable aspects of this system, this university. I call it a school, right? The micro profit system teaches you how to trade, teaches you everything you want to know about Bitcoin, the history of Bitcoin, everything. Everything you need to know. Absolutely incredible. Free training. If you need that, the link is below. It's only $9 a month just to be a basic member, to learn some basic stuff about trading. The two or three basic strategies that we do. We don't have a whole bunch of technical analysis stuff. Don't take all that, man. Once you understand the basic fundamentals of trading, you can make you some money, folks. So I just want to drop that quick nugget for those of you that want to learn. And there's a link below, 3 Course Crypto. Let them know that I referred you. It's probably one of the most intellectual, basic, simple, informed, educational teachers I've ever known. Mr. Brandon Ivy, Morehouse graduate, multimillionaire in the space of network marketing. He's been doing crypto talks for years now, 2 or 3 years. And he inspired me to do these talks, real crypto talks. And so I tell you, get that education, 3 Course Crypto. It is below as well if you choose not to roll with iCoin Pro as an educational piece. If you're new, you definitely want to get the free training. The link is below. Once again, like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you can be notified when I upload these videos. Okay. So, but this is big business. This is huge right here, folks. PayPal's crypto integration means Bitcoin could triple its user base. Man, I tell you, not everyone in crypto industry is thrilled about PayPal's recent news. No PayPal, and one thing I want to mention about this particular news is this. Guys, I'm just gonna keep it simple for you. If you don't own your keys, your private keys, you don't own your crypto. And that's why some people are not really thrilled about PayPal, okay? Because they have a few restrictions. You can't send it to another wallet. I don't think you can. I'm not really sure. Make sure you do your research on it. I know I've seen a few things that people are unhappy about when it comes to PayPal, or seasoned people anyway. We know better. We're not gonna be storing our crypto on PayPal. I know we're not. I'm not. We may transact through PayPal. We may consider that, but none of us ODs OGs are gonna be storing our crypto on PayPal. Okay, this is just for adoption. This is to bring the awareness, and there are going to be a lot of people that are going to store their crypto on PayPal. Okay, they don't care about private keys and all this kind of stuff. They just want some crypto, right? So yeah, not everyone in the crypto industry is thrilled about that. Without clicking on this and going into the news, just wanted to kind of highlight that a little bit. Blockstat PBC changes its name to Hyro is in the news. PayPal said to be in talks to buy crypto firms, including Bitco, according to Bloomberg. Top traders say Bitcoin log chart points to a 2017 style Bitcoin run. I would have to agree with that news. And on that note, I'm going to end the news for today. It's my time. It is your boy, James R. Davis Sr., signing out with the Bitcoin news. Peace and blessings. Y'all be safe. Dollar cost average your way into cryptocurrency. Don't put your house note, don't put your insurance in, don't put the whole mortgage in, don't do all that. Dollar cost average. That's my suggestion. I can't give you any financial advice. That's my suggestion. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the post notifications for being notified when I upload a video. It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. signing out. Real Crypto Talk.